Today we will be replacing the Montague Gator animatronic with some of our new shipments of the animatronic Freddy Fazbear suit. First off, remove the head and jaw. Okay, good job. Now remove the arms, hands, and the guitar. Now remove his torso and the legs. Okay, good job. Now put on the Freddy Fazbear's torso on the endoskeleton and then proceed to put on all the other body parts. Fantastic job! Freddy is now put together. Now let's do a maintenance check. Let's check if Freddy is working correctly. Now start the showtime music and Freddy should play and move to the song if everything is working correctly. Fantastic job! Freddy is working correctly.